Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you how to change your alarm clock sound on on your iPhone, sorry. This is a pretty big thing on TikTok, and you can pretty much take TikTok sounds or any sound from anywhere as long as you can get the MP3 file of that, specific file and have it on your iPhone. You can make it into a ringtone or an alarm sound. In this specific case, we're focusing on the alarm sound. You will need one app, and that is GarageBand. So it's a free app. You can install it. It looks like this. It looks just like that app. So just install it through the App Store. It's free. Apple makes it, and it's a really good app anyway. So what you want to do once you have that app installed is you want to go ahead and find that specific MP3 file, whatever the case is, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's downloaded from somewhere else, whether your mom gave it to you. You need to find that MP3 file. A big thing though is getting your specific sound from TikTok. So you can go ahead and find any TikTok that you want. I just made this one yesterday, and you can go ahead and click share right here. You can go and click either, you can save the video if you want to, it's not really going to matter. You want to basically copy this link. So right here with this paperclip, you want to copy this link. Once that link is copied, you want to go ahead and go into your Safari browser, and you want to go ahead and just type it on Google MP3 TikTok downloader. You can click on any of these links, it doesn't really matter. But as long as you have that link that we downloaded earlier, you want to go ahead and paste it here, just like so. And you want to click download, and then it's going to go ahead and take a second for it to download. And you can go ahead and download the MP3 just like so. Go and X out this ad, and you should get this little pop-up eventually whenever it happens. There we go. So all you want to do now is download that specific MP3 file, and hopefully it's long enough for your specific taste. But at this point, all you have to do now is make your way over to that GarageBand app. So just like so, you'll come into this little panel. Ooh, go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Now I've already made a project, but I guess I'll go ahead and start from new. So what you want to do is click that little plus right there. You'll get into this panel. You want to go ahead and click audio recorder. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on this little line right there where now it's a microphone. You want to click there. You'll get into this panel. What you want to do here is in the top corner, there's this little loop thing. You want to go ahead and click on it just like so. And then what you want to do is either you'll get into this panel or it'll take up the whole screen. It's the same thing. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and click files, which is right there. And then what you want to do is you want to browse items from the files app. So you want to go ahead and click here. You want to go ahead and click on your downloads folder, wherever that specific TikTok sound downloaded. So I think it's this one. Hopefully we don't run into any errors. There's a possibility we probably will. So there's that sound right there. You can go ahead and drag it just like so into your specific frame, just like this. And as you can see, we now have that song here, and you can go ahead and run through it. You can go and listen to it as much as you want. And I just listened to it and I can tell it is actually that song. So all you have to do now is make sure your song is within a 30-second frame, because the alarm sound can only be 30 seconds. Most TikToks are not going to be 30 seconds long, so you'll probably be safe anyway. But what you want to do here is once this is good enough for your standards, all you have to do is pretty much click on this little drop down menu right here. As long as this file is saved, click on the little drop down menu. You want to click My Songs, and it'll go ahead and save this out, and you can see that it did save out to My Song 3. So all we have to do now, and you can rename this if you want to, but all we have to do now is hold down this specific song. We want to go ahead and click share. So just click share there, and we want to save it as a ringtone. So this middle option, we want to go ahead and click save as a ringtone. And now it's going to allow us to basically change the name of the song. So we can go ahead and change it to something like, so there we go. I just renamed it to new song from TikTok, and I'll go ahead and save it to my ringtones. I can go and click export. You may get some errors sometimes if your songs are over 30 seconds. Sometimes there can be some incompatibility for those, specific songs. So keep that in mind. But now, as you can see, it will just export it to my ringtones. So now all I have to do is make our way over to our TikTok or our settings app, just like so. I've said TikTok so many times in this video. You want to go ahead and click sounds and haptics, and you just want to verify that our ringtone is there. So as you can see, new song from TikTok, and as you can see, it misspelled it, but it's pretty much there. So all we have to do now is make our way over to our clock app, just like this. We then want to go ahead and go to our alarm. So whatever alarm it was before, we can go and make a new alarm just for the case of this video. Set it to whatever you want to. But right here where it says sound, you want to click on it, and you should be able to see that new song from TikTok or whatever you named it. You can go and click on it and pretty much move on from there. So that's exactly how to create a custom alarm sound on your specific iPhone. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. But definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it'd mean so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.